do a U-turn and see whether we can feel the weight. Nope, just like my 350. Okay, here we brake quickly. Twin cylinder muffle. It's awesome. Get down. Yep. Hello friends. So we just took the test ride of the shotgun. Okay. And the only problem that I face is too much heat in the traffic from this portion. Maybe that will not be there on the highway. Okay. So when you sit it at a very aggressive position, not too much aggressive, not too much comfortable, I mean not too much towards the back. So when you sit like this, right, so you are sitting almost, you are clinching the tank and your hand is just on the handle. So it's a very commanding position, very easy to maneuver here and there. Okay, so that's very good, but the only thing I did not like is the very wide crash guard. It should have been like a Hunter, like that. Okay, should be till this point, so that in traffic the maneuverability will increase. Okay, so let's see, they have an option. Now let me show you guys something very easy step. So we will try to put this on the center stand. Okay, so what we will do is we will keep this, okay, and we have to do it. I'm going to show you how to put up center stand. We are going for a chola ride. That means I am taking a chola to buy some groceries early in the morning. So yesterday we had a review of shotgun, okay, a test ride, and what I observed is that for me as a owner of a Hunter 350 and riding Hunter 350 every day, now you see there is a big bump that is coming. Okay, it is almost like 14 to 15 centimeters tall bump. So here the shotgun will definitely scrape. Okay, now the Hunter scrapes occasionally if I apply the brake. Okay, so now the shotgun 350 is a very good motorcycle, a very well balanced motorcycle, I found out. Okay, the sitting position is even comfortable than Hunter. Okay, the company has managed to make the bike handle like a gem in the traffic. Even after having 240 kgs, it feels it is very easy to, truly amazing. Okay, it feels feather light in the traffic, even in the crowded traffic that you see on my video. But you know, there are some things that is preventing me to go and purchase it. Okay, the other plus point is, you know, it is having a very good comfort. Okay, very good posture. Okay, even the leg posture is more forward than the Hunter 350. So it is you know, having a very good classic 350 like posture. Okay, so you sit on mostly on the forward of the bike. Okay, so it's a very commanding position. The handlebar position, the design of the handlebar, the rake angle, everything is perfect. So you can use it as a daily ride in the city, but it won't be a substantial upgrade over a 350. Why? Because, you know, till 80-90 km/h speed, you know, it is not a substantial leaps and bounds increase over the performance of a 350. Even though 350 is almost half its power, and in terms of Newton meter torque, and you know, BHP is even 20 BHP, but still, you know, the Hunter 350 picks up very fast till 80-90 or even 100. So if you are planning to purchase a bike for the highway rides, yes, I would recommend to go ahead and take the 650. But for city rides, you know, you won't feel that much of a difference. Also, there is a lot of heat that emits and that goes straight into the thighs, the under thighs, okay, of your legs. So that is one more thing. Okay, and the cost of maintenance, you know, it will be double than that of 350. Okay, the spare parts, the service cost, also the price that you want to pay for it is 4.5 lakhs, which is good, okay, for the amount of value that you are getting. But it is not something that you would like to do, like, you know, selling off the 350 and then purchasing. Because if I sell my 350 almost like 1.5 years Hunter to Royal Enfield, it will be like 1.4 lakhs. Okay, I bought it at almost like 2.10, so it won't give me that value. Okay, so for city ride, okay, for highway, yes. And if you're a first time buyer, then okay, it makes sense for you. But for me, you know, yesterday I realized it did not give me the same amount of kick that I would expect from 650. So I'll wait for a Gold Star, okay, which is having that single cylinder 650cc engine. Maybe that will give me more fun, okay, than what I'm expecting out of a 650. So the twin cylinder setup is actually very smooth. Okay, the single cylinder is very torquey. It's very beaty roar. Okay, it has its own character. I like the single cylinder setup more than a twin cylinder. Twin cylinder is basically smoother because there are two pistons, there are two rods that negate the vibrations. Okay, so that's what my analysis is. Okay, it's a good bike. I highly recommend anybody going to purchase for a 650, one of the best 650s out there. Okay, very good value for money, very good handling, comfort is also good, but not for me. Okay, I'm happy with my Hunter 350 for now. I will wait for any big block like the Gold Star 650 or any other big 600 to 650cc bike. Okay, thank you so much for watching my channel.